This lesson we're going to be talking about angles. I'm going to bring two separate rays onto the screen, and I'm going to take the endpoint of each ray and I'm going to merge those endpoints. And then we create an angle. An angle consists of two different rays, sometimes called sides, with a common endpoint called a vertex. The vertex of the angle would be right here. Let's give the points on this angle some labels so that we could talk about naming this angle. The first way to name this angle is simply by its vertex. You could call it angle B. Notice that the angle symbol is not the same as the less than symbol. The angle symbol goes down and then comes horizontally, and that's different than the less than symbol, so just be careful with that. You can also name this angle with three letters. So you could put the angle symbol, and then you're going to want to put B in the middle because the vertex always goes in the middle spot if you're using three letters, and then you would go A, B, C. So that's the angle that starts at A, vertex B, and then goes to C. You could also reverse that order and go angle C, B, A, where B is still the vertex. Now, the only thing that you have to be really careful of is not to do something like angle CAB. Angle CAB does exist, but it would have a vertex of A, and its rays would be going through B and through C. Sometimes when you look at a geometric diagram, you'll see a little number in the mouth of the angle. If that's the case, another thing that you could do is refer to this as angle 1. There are some situations in which you can't use just one letter to name an angle. For example, here it would be unacceptable to call the angle you're looking at angle B, and here's the reason why. How many angles are there that we could be looking at here? Well, there's three different angles. You could be talking about this angle here. You could be talking about this angle here. Or you could be talking about this larger angle where you'd be ignoring this ray that goes down the middle. And so to wrap this up, you can't name an angle with only one letter when there's a situation in which multiple angles could have that same name. Like when we call the name Mike in a room and there's multiple Mikes and they would all respond unless we say a last name or something like that.